Welcome to CM Tech 19. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Google account protection on Hisense M50 Lite. This method can also be used on U40 and U50. It can be light or non-light phones as long as it's U50, M50 and U40. So first you have to connect to Wi-Fi. Please do not use these methods on stolen phones. This is just for learning purposes. So first let me show you that it's true that this phone is locked before we take all the procedures. We can see if I try this button, it's saying it's wrong. So let me try using the Google account. On the Google account verification screen, I'll try and see if there will be any way to skip. But with this phone, there's no skip, only next, which means that the phone is locked. So we have to go back and start with a trick now. We have to choose one of these languages. After choosing one of these languages, we have to go to the screen that says add network or add Wi-Fi network. Then we have to long press on the spacebar. But in this case, it's not working. So we have to go back and get another language. It doesn't mean that this language doesn't work, but it works on other phones. Still go on add network. Still long press the spacebar. Now it worked. So here we have to add one of the keypads so that we have two of the keypads. The QWERTY keypads is now added, so we have to go back and select English. So we'll be using English in this video. Or you can choose any language that you know. Yeah, that's up to you, as long as you understand what you're seeing or where you're going. Here we have to use one of these languages that have errors, and we navigate to help and feedback. When we go to help and feedback, we'll get a screen that will tell us to key in anything that we want. But in case we get something there, you have to choose anything of your choice. It doesn't matter what you choose. After that, we'll be given one symbol where we have to choose, where we have to press or click. It's a share symbol. Here it is. So click on it, choose Google, use without account. Now we have to use one of these websites like VNROM or ADROM, but in this case I'll try using VNROM. After this, choose this one and open in browser. So here it will take you direct to Chrome. No thanks. It's taking long since my network is very poor here, but it doesn't take that long. Okay, I'll try using another one, ADROM. Since with VNROM the connection is very poor, so I'll try using ADROM. Choose the first one again. Now there will be a screen with different options. You can take any option of your choice, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of these options for Screen Smart Lock. Screen Smart Lock, you can add any screen lock of your choice. But in this video I'm showing you how to bypass it using I'm using a pin. So my pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use any pin of your choice, it's up to you. So after this, we have to navigate using the back key button back to the first screen, the welcome screen or hi there screen. So here you have to restart your phone. You restart or reboot it. Wait for some moment till it's on. If you have any question, feel free to post it on the comment section below. Any question regarding this FRP protection by person, I'll be willing to help you. After the phone turns on, you'll be asked to key in your security pin or password or pattern, any of the above choices that you get there. So now press start, then skip, go back if you see any skip, no skip. Let's just connect and go to see what's there. Setup is new. Yes, on this screen I can see that it was previously having the pattern lock, but used my since I key in my new pin, now the security verification pattern changed to pin. So now I will use my pin